Ah, shoot. My plan to get some computer scientists under my hand, some student bunch that could get me my cryptocurrency, is fucked because of the COVID. Dawson College, where I used to go for my computer science degree, as a Gregor Swiderski, I used to go here every morning for 2.5 years of my life to do computer science. And I was planning to go see the computer science chairman and computer science teachers bunch to create me a cryptocurrency as a team who would benefit being on the whitelist of this cryptocurrency becoming all rich. The problem is called the COVID demon. I haven't unleashed its vaccine yet because you don't believe me I have the vaccination. It's explained on a short video of 5 minutes for everyone to understand easily what is the vaccine. It's called hydroxychloroquine, and I already said it. This is just a supportive video for you to watch the rest of my videos that save life and maximize perfection and remove the flaws of this universe and mankind. My way, our way, which is our way, which is my way, the highway to the one that doesn't like it. And I guess it's saving mankind. Grandiose objective of ambition is always permitted if you know how to fund it. And I need a cryptocurrency of my creation with my genius algorithm that self-promotes itself, basically, because the cryptocurrency is having a copyrights over this, which is any fee that goes back as money to the cryptocurrency holders. So everybody who has the cryptocurrency gets future transactions to pay you, no matter how big they are. That could volumes, guarantee variances, but over infinity of time, if the cryptocurrency is used by mankind's world, you can make lots of money just being invested into the currency, since it's using always a fee for every single transaction of minimum 2.22% to a 3.33%, and it works where I'm gonna market it where those who purchase it at 2.22% are gonna benefit a lot when the fee upgrades to 3.33%. That means those who hold the currency are benefiting a lot more by an extra 50% extra income from that kind of move. That's my marketing move, my business plan. I just need to implement it. I could do the computer science all by myself within a couple, 2-3 years, or with a team of computer science students and the chairman of the computer science if they want to be on the whitelist of the cryptocurrency that will reward them for implementing the cryptocurrency of their life. With this kind of algorithm, mathematically speaking, I'm going to conquer the world and save the world my way, our way, which is the highway to whoever wants to destroy the world and the highway to whoever doesn't like it. Sure, I can wear a mask, please, because I guess that makes someone lots of money for printing you those masks like a disease. It's going to be bullshit of a disease if you understand the hydroxychloroquine vaccine the way it is explained on the vaccine of COVID-19 video, which is very simple to notice, very easily titled as part of the lower videos of my YouTube channel, which has it also upwards, where you look at immortals and that section downstairs shows vaccinations, explanations, everything understandable within 5 minutes. You don't need to be a chemist to understand how my biology of my science works, and I am fully flawed like you are, unless I unlocked a evolution step that gives me a slight margin of bigger brain faster, because I unlocked evolution my way, the chemical process, without the usual way being torture. Torture pressurizes the brain and makes sure the synaptic gaps are closed slowly. Yes, the mask, the fucking mask over my nose, soon I'm gonna be walking with an AK-47 anonymously, and I'll be very nicely looking like ladies gonna like me when I'm ugly. I'll be going Allahu Akbar with fake bullets in my AK. Allahu Akbar. I wonder how fucking that is an amazing joke. Watch out with that, Allahu. You know, that is incomplete, but I respect the Islamic prophet. He is the heathen number 3, the one we were needing to protect the people from crusaders. He needed to start jihad before he saw it. He was assisted by God Almighty dreams like some other prophets could be. I forgot who that could be. I wonder if that's good enough jokes to end this video at 5 minutes promoting this, and a failure as they go. You know, my joke goes like this: sometimes you win, sometimes you win less, rather than say sometimes you lose, sometimes you lose more, you know. So today I lost at defeating the COVID, and it destroyed my dreams of a cryptocurrency implemented faster by a team under my belt with a whitelist in mind that would reward them for being the cryptocurrency creators, who would be rich if the whole mankind uses this cryptocurrency that rewards whoever holds it and has mathematical ways to encourage bigger investments on top of it. And I just gave you the secret genius strategy that I need to use, and I need to explain it to whoever will see me as their leader for computer science, tallest orders, and psychiatry, all kinds of ways to put it, all kinds of blinding ways to highly advanced sciences realms under immortal status. We could be immortals, by the way. My channel explains how to be immortal, by the way. You should know it. And by the way, 6 minutes, 7 seconds. That's 6 minutes, 66 seconds of a video length. And you should notice I'm very pointy about perfection. I always like to end my videos something at like 3:33 or 3:14 to show pi, the continuation number, which doesn't have a continuation, except I explain it. The continuation is right from the get-go. If you remove the ones, both ones, it's 3, 4, 5, right from the get-go, the continuation if you remove the ones. But you had to know this, remove the one, and that's the demystifying scientific mathematics, which I demystified best ways. As of all mankind is still researching where is the continuation in pi that I didn't describe myself. I guess I'm a perfection chaser that much, and I have 7 seconds, no, 3 seconds. Bye.